Blah. Do you have to see?
No.
Why?
Because I don't have
Which one do you have?
any. I don't have any.
You don't have any.
Yeah.
A lady like you don't have money.
Why?
Hey,
Should I have money because I am a lady?
my son.
What? Papa, you be kumi over your son. Papa.
Come them way. 5 cedi did that offer to mobile.
And that woman no dey bed.
Omo no amu ni so ntimi be no aka ho. Say na dey work school bia na nim nyansa. Jimini.
Daddy o pesa pa.
Obusa me nyansa sema I will never give you cheap answer.
Na dem me hu nyansa nti un ka asam.
Ana me Jimmy, u Jimmy na me Jimmy. We are all human beings. Muna mka say dey be ma betimi aye bia mbetimi aye. Oba brofo dey wa no de ne. Fasikato homo mama abusa me say homo di be dey. You can tell me a meaning of homo?
Detergent. Say a detergent.
Detergent for what?
Say for washing. Cleaning.
That's it. So either you're not cleaning, it's washing. It's going to cleaning. Now we have
to
me de kabam.
Me unko. And frame me be.
Mate. Na be wa down for say dey say wan kai. Wait me aba. Ba fun say